Looking to add more cargo space and storage to your overlanding Jeep or Toyota? Well, look no further than the Overland Cargo Rack by Westin. Quality and adaptability are the two main words used to describe this Overland Cargo Rack from Westin. Knowing what the trail can dish out and understanding the needs of the Overlander, Westin chose a beefy 4-inch rectangular 14-gauge steel frame for the foundation of this impressive rack. Then they coated everything in a texturized black powder coat finish with an E-coated base for long-lasting corrosion protection. The strength and durability of this design can handle a wide variety of rooftop tents or anything else you need to haul in the backcountry. And its low-profile design keeps the tent and gear below the cab roofline for easier garage storage and better fuel economy. The multi-purpose cargo management system allows a wide range of gear storage with multiple mounting options and positions. The Overland Cargo Rack comes in a 45-inch or 57-inch length option. The top rails can also be mounted in multiple positions for additional adaptability. The Overland Cargo Rack really is perfect for any backcountry adventure. If you're interested in purchasing the Overland Cargo Rack by Westin or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.